Join me today and see how I transform this freezer, which is covered in ice, and see how I transform it into this, which is ice-free and ready for use again. Hey everyone, welcome back, and thank you so much for clicking this video. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be doing all things Christmas, so grab yourself a drink. Mine is going to be hot water with lemon. I prefer this in the morning when it's really hot, and it just works really well. It sets my mood for the day. So as you can tell, everything's going to be all Christmassy. Grab your drink and get yourself ready, get your products. Mine are all going to be Christmas vibes, all berries and all things that just make me get excited for Christmas. So get your cleaning products and let's get into it. So a few days ago it started snowing and it got me into the mind frame of deep cleaning around for Christmas. So the first thing I thought of was a deep freezer. So this deep freezer needed some serious TLC. It just needed to be defrosted. I know it's like a lot of effort, but you know, I found a quick tip that can help defrost your freezer in time for Christmas. So if you're enjoying the content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So join me today and let's get into the defrosting of this freezer. If you haven't already, make sure you empty everything out of the freezer.
Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear, the whispers reaching my ears.
So everything has now been emptied, and basically it's just covered in ice, so we just need to defrost it. Normally it would take like years and hours upon hours, and we don't have time. So the best thing that I would advise you to do, empty everything out and make sure you switch off the socket that is connected to the freezer.
Time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, the ground is fashionably green.
Yes, it's a hairdryer, definitely a hairdryer. I learned this tip a few years ago. So basically what you do is you grab any hairdryer that you can find, you make sure that the sockets are turned off, and what you're going to do is turn it on, and you are basically going to heat up the ice, and it works like magic all the time. I've used it. Let me know in the comment section below if you have used a hair dryer to melt the ice off a freezer. It's not a new hack, it's been around for ages and I've seen lots of people doing it. So yeah, let me know if you've done it before.
Oh, Christmas, we'll take that plain old green tree, color it beautifully like a makeover. Oh, Christmas, the word that's out on the street is that the season's complete when hearts are open. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, tenderness and smiles so sincere. Now's the time to reach out and to brighten someone's day. The magic of the holidays is here.
So as you can see, most of the ice has literally started to melt off. So I use a butter knife or any knife. I just picked this one. That was the fastest I could find. And you just poke around the edges and most of it literally starts to fall off. So you don't have to really struggle too hard. If it's not working, go back and get your blow dryer and blow around the edges. And this is what it looks like now after I've done it a couple of times. And you see, it did not take a long time. It did not take me a whole day, which is why I love this blow dryer trick, because I find it to be so helpful, especially on days when you don't have time and you really need to defrost your freezer, like what we needed to do with this one. But yeah, so this is the end result. All the ice has come off, and now we're gonna work with the ice that's actually inside. So we've taken off the one that was on the rubber seals. Now we're gonna work with the ice inside the freezer.
Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear, the whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas, we'll We'll burn the coziest fire.
I'm going to use some old Tupperware and a dish, and I'm just going to collect all the big chunks of ice and I'm going to put them inside that dish, which I think is really, really helpful. Or a bucket if you've got a bucket, but whatever can help you carry those big chunks of ice. Then I'm just going to pour it all down the sink. So we're going to go back again and continue the whole process. So now I'm just going to use the old Tupperware and just collect all the ice and all the little bits of broccoli and bits of food that you find there, and just going to pour it down the sink because I think it's the best way to, at the moment, to separate. And if you can collect some stuff and put it in the bin, that would be great. So it's best option for me. I normally find just put stuff in the sink because the ice is going to hold, everything's currently frozen anyway, so you can easily pick out what needs to be in the bin and what needs to go in the sink.
We'll take that plain old green tree, color it beautifully like a makeover. Oh, Christmas, the word that's out on the street is that the season's complete when hearts are open.
You repeat the process until everything is out, and this is what the freezer looks like now. We've officially got rid of all the ice. Everything has literally melted using this hairdryer, and it's absolutely fantastic. I love doing this hack. I love doing it. It's just, especially when you don't have time and you just need to get things done. So I hope this is very helpful, especially now it's Christmas, and if you have not defrosted your freezer for some time, I hope this video helped you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. You have a lovely day. Bye.